So some of you are asking what is the use of this harness for the helmet, why you need to do this adjustable thing for. So how it works is when you wear it, you got your heavy night vision or what in front, this thing will tighten on your back of your neck so that you can counterbalance and then straighten more balance. So it works on the older helmet also, and of course there is green color. So what is the difference? Last time we had the cheaper one, why we never order those anymore was a lot of you complained the cheaper one, this thing rusts damn fast. And there were a few instances of this thing breaking. So there are plastic components to quick adjust all these straps. Even the chin buckle nobody break. It was this thing that some people break. So no choice, pay a few dollars more for this higher end one. Stitching a bit better also for the good quality one. So this is the one we supply to SAF unit. So when you order on through our GBs, all those, say you want the good quality one, don't ask for the cheap one. You give me headache also.